In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily hide your birthday on Facebook. This will stop Facebook sending out notifications when it's your birthday and remove it from your profile so people won't see it. Okay, so I am going to be doing this on an iPhone, but it's the same process for Android, and you can also follow along on PC, although things are slightly placed different there. But let's get right into it. First, of course, you need to open the Facebook app, then go to the three lines at the bottom right of the page, and then go to the top where it says see your profile and tap that. Now press edit profile under your picture and scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will see edit your about information, so just press that. Once you're here, scroll down to the basic info tab and press edit just to the right of it. Now you'll be here, and you can change who sees your date of birth and birth year. Just under date of birth, press friends of friends in blue, and a list will pop up, and these are the preferences to choose from for the people that can see your birthday. So you can change it to just friends of friends, or even close friends, where you can choose a custom list of people that you want your birthday to be visible to. But for this video, we are completely hiding it, so we're going to choose only me. Once you've done this for date of birth, you need to do it for birth year as well, so let's do that as well. And once you've done this, you need to remember to press save in blue at the top right before leaving this page, or everything we just did will not save. And now no one can see your birthday, so if you have any further questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'll try and help you out. But if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, as it helps to get this video out to more people, and don't forget to let me know in the comments if this is still working. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.